Good morning everyone! As you can see, I have an H&M parcel here, which means I will be doing an H&M haul and lookbook style video for you. But this haul is a bit more special than usual because today I'm going to be talking about a special H&M collection. To be more precise, I was finally able to put my hands on some of the best pieces that are part of the H&M Studio Spring Summer collection of 2019. And I'm so excited. I am really happy to style some looks for you with some of my old bits like I did here on my channel last times, and I think you really like that piece of content. If you do like those short mix and match lookbook style videos, I want to see a big thumbs up on this video from you right now. The entire week I was looking forward to make this video happen, and I was hoping that it's not gonna be sold out every single piece by the time I will be able to do my online shopping like it happened to me in the previous seasons. I think it's crazy how fast everything is sold out all the time from this collection, but it looks like 2019 is my lucky year and I have managed to buy some of the pieces I really wanted to have from this collection. I've already told you that I like H&M as a brand because of the quality of their clothes. Almost all my basic pieces are from H&M, but if there is something I'm always looking forward to see and to shop eventually, if I'm lucky enough, that is their biannual studio collection that is based more on trends. Usually when I want to buy high street trendy pieces, I'm going straight to Zara, Topshop, Asos, so on and so forth. But twice per year, I'm really interested to see the trendy things from H&M as well. Just like a little backup here for who doesn't know what I'm talking about, this special collection called H&M Studio is H&M's key seasonal most fashion-forward collection that appears only in selected stores, at least in London. You can find this collection in only 2 places as far as I know, and of course online. It is created by a dedicated design team and it's more like a limited edition collection of trendy looks and statement pieces. Unfortunately, I think it's really limited, as most of the pieces are sold out in hours after H&M is posting them online. The theme of this year's collection is the effortless glamour. I think it sounds quite fancy. In most of the pieces you can find basically the animal print trend combined with the utility trend. If you want to know more about the trends of this year, you have to check out this video where I'm exemplifying all the trends of 2019 for you. So let's get into the haul, because I'm getting too impatient already and I bet you feel the same. I'm not sure if I should make a top or just a random pickup from the box haul or from the bag. I think I will be making a top for you this time. Yeah, so here it is, my top. How many pieces? I think I have 4, and I loved at least 4 from the website, but those were already sold out. I will insert the pictures here anyway. Okay, just in case, I will call this video my top 8 H&M Studio pieces of 2019. Let's get into it. I will start, of course, with something that was sold out, obviously. I'm talking about the white flounced dress, aka the dress you can see only in the scary movies. At least this was my husband's opinion about it when I showed him the dress online. In my opinion though, this was my favorite summer piece from the H&M Studio collection, and I was so sad to see that it's sold out. I was really into it, even if it looks so simple. I think it is versatile and a long run piece. Lately I kind of like this type of ankle length dresses with pattern, wave and with a v-neck, and I will definitely search for another dress like this one online. Even if it's not gonna be white or exactly like this, the style is really cool. On the second place was something really unique that I was able to buy, and I think you can still find them online. I am talking about these really cool large horn-shaped earrings. These are coming in 2 colors, but I preferred to make the safe choice this time. Even if the zebra pattern is more like the signature pattern of the collection, I bought this black pair only because I want to match them in more looks, and you already know my style, I'm all about mix and matching. For example, this leads me to the 3rd place of this top, and they're talking about this zebra pattern dress but in brown. This dress works really well with the earrings in this case, if they are black, but if I would have bought the other pair, I'm not sure. But in my opinion, these are matching perfectly, so this dress was my 3rd choice. What I didn't realize online was this cut here that looks so good when you're walking. The 4th piece was again a piece that is sold out. I get to wear all my hoodies so much, and this one would have been really special. I love the colors a lot. I wasn't lucky enough to be awake when the collection went online, and yeah, it's sold out. We have the same situation with these pattern trousers, which are really cool. Besides the pattern and the high waist, I like the belt detail on the back, but yeah, sad times. Anyway, I bought something in zebra black and white pattern, and I'm talking about this really nice, this way, yeah, really nice one shoulder swimsuit. I need to test it out somewhere in a beautiful destination for sure, but as a first impression I think it's just perfect. What do you think? And with these earrings, yeah, until I will go somewhere I can happily use it as a top just because the print looks so cool. Anyway, I have the swimsuit, I have the earrings. All that's left now is to book the tickets to Bali, for example, and I'm all set. Another great summer dress that is sold out is this one. I wasn't sure actually which one I like the most, the one that I already bought or that one, but now I am happy with my choice. The one with more colors is really nice for the beach, but I think it's see-through, so I prefer to have a dress that I can wear more than a few days per year on a holiday. So I love more the dress that I already have, to be honest, but that one is really nice as well. And because I've been in such a spring state of mind when I was shopping, I wanted to give it a try to another dress from this collection. I was between these two, but I bought the shirt dress. I think it's such a lovely color. It's kind of a stony shade, like an earthy color. As I've told you in the trends video, all the neutral colors are really in and are just working perfectly with utility looks. This dress shirt is not an exception. I like that it's nice quality, it's a heavy material, it's such a statement piece, and it looks quite unusual because of the length. I really love the sleeves. The overall style looks really cool and effortless, and I'm really happy with my choice here. So this was my last item I really wanted to feature in this video. I hope it was your piece of cake, and if it was, please do subscribe, because I'm trying to post weekly fashion videos on my channel. And because we are going quickly to the end of this video, as I've promised, I will mention here the comment winner. It is the top comment of my trends video. It's a comment I received from a girl that has similar content with my channel. I just had a first look on her channel, and if you are interested in more hauls, you might want to check her out. And the second shout out, as I've promised, is an Instagram account I loved this week. And because I am talking about this collection, I wanted to feature a girl called Ania Boniek. I just hope I'm pronouncing this alright. She has more looks with this collection on her account. I'm thinking you might be interested to see that if you are still watching this video about the H&M Studio collection. She is a recent discovery I'm following, and she has such a great style. Most of all, I wanted to feature this picture in particular. I just hope you can see it on the screen, because I think it's such a strong and beautiful picture, and it also has the H&M Studio print signature. If you want to be featured here, as I've told you before, the easiest way for me to see your picture is to use my hashtag #CRISTINA, and if you are tagging me in your picture at the same time, so for sure I'm not gonna miss your post. This was it with the video as well. I cannot wait to share with you more fashion related videos, because I feel like I'm unstoppable at the moment. This spring is making me really excited about the clothes and styling, and yeah, I promise to show you more lookbooks, hauls and styling videos in the near future. I hope I will see you back on my channel soon. Bye!